Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write cash on delivery payment method based on shipping class in WooCommerce checkout in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So we are going to write cash on delivery payment method based on shipping class. So this is our product. Now go to WooCommerce setting. Now you see shipping class, slug, ID, description, product count. So we have two product in this shipping class. By default you don't see shipping class ID in shipping tab in classes section. We show this shipping class ID in classes section using custom code, and you will find video link and video description. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see shipping class ID 21, so we are going to add our shipping class ID. Now go to WooCommerce setting. We are in classes section. Now you see shipping class ID 85, back to code. Now add here 85. Scroll down, in code you see unset gateway COD. COD represent cash on delivery payment method. So this is our gateway ID. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page. So we are going to hide cash on delivery. Now refresh the page. Now you see COD is hide based on shipping class ID. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.